Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hell Shell on piano. First, let's get set up. Locate middle C on your piano, which is often marked, or the C nearest the center. Position your right hand with your thumb on middle C, ready to play the melody. Your left hand will provide a foundational bass line, typically starting on a lower C. A quick warm-up with the C major scale will prepare your fingers for the piece. Now, let's focus on the right hand melody. The core notes you'll be using are C, E, G, and A, primarily in the middle octave. Aim for a light, slightly detached touch, giving the piece its distinctive feel. The rhythm is predominantly composed of eighth notes, so maintaining a steady tempo is key. Begin by practicing this section at a very slow pace, ensuring accuracy before speeding up. Next, we'll add the left hand accompaniment. Your left hand will play a straightforward, repeating bass pattern, typically using C, G, and F in the lower octave. This provides the harmonic foundation for the right hand's melody. Focus on playing these notes smoothly and evenly, creating a steady pulse. Once comfortable, try playing both hands together at a slow tempo, synchronizing their movements carefully. Finally, let's combine both hands and refine your playing. Begin by playing the entire piece at a very slow tempo, ensuring each note is accurate and both hands are synchronized. Pay close attention to the transitions between different sections of the song. Consistent practice is crucial. Aim for several short, focused 10-minute sessions each day. Listening to the original Hell Shell will also help you capture its unique rhythm and feel.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.